We want students and staff to feel safe while they're at school. And as parents, we want to know that every reasonable precaution has been taken to protect them.
That's why the Community Task Force on Facilities made safety and security upgrades a priority when identifying needed improvement projects. Proposition S invests $6.9 million in security equipment and improvements that will benefit every school in the district.
These upgrades will increase security and enhance our ability to monitor and respond to issues. Security cameras will be upgraded, and sensors and alarms will be installed to monitor doors and roof access where needed. Protective glass will be installed on ground floor windows at every school. This continues the work we started in 2019 to create more secure entrances at our schools.
When I'm at school, I want to be able to focus on learning without being distracted by safety concerns. These improvements will help all students feel secure when they're at school.
Overall, Proposition S will fund $220 million in school improvements, including constructing new buildings for Pipkin and Reed middle schools, renovating Pershing School, building storm shelters at 6 elementary schools, and safety and security upgrades at schools district-wide.
If voters approve the request on April the 4th, there will be no increase to the current debt service tax levy, which is 73 cents per $100 of assessed valuation of real estate and personal property. Compared to other school districts in the area, the SPS debt service levy would remain one of the lowest.
Having visited schools throughout the district, I have seen some of the inequities that exist in our school buildings. These improvements focus on making every school safer and stronger, not only for the current students, but for future generations.
Remember to vote Tuesday, April 4th on Proposition S.